Hey, and welcome back to the lab. Just a quick announcement today about an upcoming event that's happening in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, and that is the KW Maker Expo. This is an awesome family-friendly event that happens every year in Kitchener. For the past few years it's happened at the City Hall, and space has been a bit tight. So this year they're moving to the Kitchener Memorial Auditorium. They're going to have at least one of the twin pads available to them. If fundraising goes the way that we hope it does, they're going to have both twin pads open to them for the entire weekend. Now this event is completely free for the public to come in and partake in and witness. There's going to be a bunch of makers there showing off what they do. There's going to be lots of things to see, lots of things to experience, new ways to build, and I will be there all weekend, hopefully volunteering. At this point, they're trying to push to be able to afford the second pad. They've started a GoFundMe account, so if you're in the KW area, you intend to visit, by all means, $5 or $10, it makes a big difference out the other end. The GoFundMe link is in the description down below. If you are unable to attend, then you still want to donate, even better, you're freaking awesome. With all the changes that have happened in our, I guess we call it a movement, but in our community, in the maker community, it is very important that we keep these things going. The future of Maker Fair is unknown. Maker Festival in Toronto just announced that they will be proceeding after there was some issues with being able to do it at the library. The Science Center has stepped up and said that will happen there. We'll have a video on that one soon too. And Maker Expo, as I said, is the KW version of all of these. And the local community around making, centered in Quartz Lab, is awesome. So by all means, come on out. I will be there. Find me, talk to me, spend some time, meet a bunch of makers, see if you could find something else that sparks your passion. Maybe a new hobby, maybe something new to build. There is always something for everyone at this event. I look forward to seeing you there, and we will speak again soon.